Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Virgo Whitey Gaming, and today I will show you my brain rot. Now, old versus now. So let's go. Let's show you my now. Now it's my base is just look like this. I have a rainbow Pita Kiwi, Cappuccino Assassino, Lero, and Lila, Bombardilo, Crocodilo, and Rainbow Tatas, Ballerina, Cappuccina, and Venus God, Coco Banto, Pegtango, and Lero, Ripura. So I am just checking for an update that's good, like Brainrot God, and if you want something from me guys, it's just like this. I am giving away rainbow to my subscribers. That's like the kiwi. Find some space for it. So your username so I can add you and make sure you follow me. Follow my channel. It's me guys, Program Gaming. If you don't know, just go to my channel and search this name. That is my my YouTube channel, guys. Let's so this is my cappuccino Espino. Hello, hi. Just choose a random pet here and let's trade up your pet in PX. Let's choose here. There. Here too. So that's all for guys. I hope you enjoy my video. Please comment your username so I can add you quickly. Guys, this is it now guys. This is my life. So this is my second upload of this channel. I hope you enjoy. Bye guys. Love you all. Mwah.